Another factor in any repetition of a German air assault on this country will be the 4-cannon gun Hurricane. This representative of our new fighters fulfills the promise that they will be as much superior to the enemy opposed to them as were the original Spitfires and Hurricanes in the Battle of Britain. The Hurricane Mk II can climb higher, has a higher top speed and enormously increased firepower. It has already done great execution over northern France and along the continental coastline. Fighter pilots nowadays rehearse their tactics against actual enemy bombers, captured machines taken over by the Ministry of Aircraft Production and flown by British airmen. As this Junkers 88 takes evasive action, you can get a close-up of what a German raider looks like from the air. The first Hurricanes, carrying 8 machine guns in their wings, literally soared through the fuselages of enemy raiders. Some of the new Hurricanes are armed with 12 machine guns, half as many again. The 4-cannon guns, which are fitted to this aircraft, make the Hurricane more formidable still. They fire, of course, a shell with an explosive charge. Here you can witness a chase typical of many which have already brought about the destruction of hundreds of German machines. But the sham fight goes on because it is a sham fight. In actual battle, of course, the German would have been a mangled wreck long before now. In fighter duels, with our 4-cannon guns against the latest Messerschmitt's 1-cannon gun and 2 machine guns, we hold a terrific advantage in firepower. The ascendancy established by British fighters over northern France and the Channel is witness to the fact. And now in these, the most thrilling combat pictures of the war, just released by the Air Ministry, we dive with an RAF squadron to the attack. Watch how the enemy ships hugging the continental coastline are flayed by an absolute whiplash of cannon and machine gun fire. To quote the communique, several of the ships were left in a sinking condition.